you have to view these developments, these unfortunate incidents that are taking place, Sambal particularly, the riots that took place, 12 people died, a situation of communal disharmony happened. Could this have been averted?
See, yesterday there was a fantastic judgment in Supreme Court. They gave a stay on all these mischievous things that are happening in the country, all the mischievous petitions that are being filed in the different courts. I think I welcome that. Two, we have to not just get into the nitty-gritties of the bill of from the Act of 1991. We should understand the times in which it was passed, why it was passed, what did the parliamentarians during that time think about the entire issue that was happening, that was there in the country, in what atmosphere it was brought in. I think they brought in to put a lid on all such issues. We got freedom in 1947. What happened before that? Who invaded? What was Bharat? Till where was Bharat? What was Akhand Bharat? Who came from where? If you look at temples, Hindu temples, you have to think of Jain temples, you have to think of Buddhist worship places. If you start digging up everything, then there'll be Shaivites, Vaishnavites. So many things happened in the past. I think 1947 is something which we need to remember. We became a nation, we became a democracy, we need to move on, we need to move forward. We should be a forward-looking, progressive nation. Because for that reason, the Parliament, in its wisdom, passed that bill and said, enough is enough, we'll put a lid on this, we'll close this, except one issue, we'll close it, and here on out, we'll move forward, we'll not get into these issues. I think we have to understand the spirit behind that act, which is very, very important. If people, the ecosystem of Bharatiya Janata Party and the Sangh Parivar, if they really